That's crazy. So, that car, right there, that truck, it just started. And there's no one in there.
This is crazy.
There's nobody in there. See, look.
Guys, look at this.
There's nobody in there.
Guys, look at this.
That is freaking crazy.
Me and Darren.
We were just playing basketball.
I know, we had to play basketball.
Yeah.
And out of nowhere, the car turned on. There was nobody inside.
There was no one in there.
Yeah, there was nobody in there. If I could try to...
Zoom in.
Hold on, let's just like go beside it, okay?
With no one in there. And it just randomly turned on.
And I mean, like, before all this, we were just like looking up scary videos.
Yeah.
We're just looking up like ghost videos.
Yeah, we were watching some ghost
but
videos, and then the light just turned on. The light just turned on. Rain.
There's people. Oh my gosh, bro. People inside the house.
Bro, but it just started up out of nowhere. It's been running there like that for freaking like 10 minutes now.
Yeah. So crazy.
That's weird.
We should go like up to it.
Okay. See, look, no one.
It just started. I didn't even hear the door open.
Bro, it didn't open.
Yeah.
It just started. No one went in.
Dude, I don't even think the keys are in there.
You want to go check?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm scared.
If the keys are in there,
I'm gonna freaking.
I'm gonna flip out. Dude, the keys are in there.
Oi! Bro, I'm out.
It's a ghost.
Dude.
Stop.
1 sec.
It's kind of crazy. I don't know.
I'm gonna go see if it still started up.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Wait.
What the heck?
Here, let's. The door just opened.
No, there's some. Oh my gosh, bro! There's somebody going inside of it.
Dude. Bro, how did it start up by itself?
I know.
Bro, let's go. Play some more, people.
It's starting to rain hard. Actually, not that. Don't fall straight to it. Right? You're gonna know.
Bro, there's still no one in it. There's still no one in it.
Alright, my phone's about to die.
Bro, that's freaking creepy.
I'm gonna have to charge my phone.
Bye.